At a pinch, I'm hoping we can get this going. Let's crack on. Hello and welcome to another MrBetaByte video, and this one's a little bit different insofar as it's just a short one because lots going on and lots of interesting content to come up actually. But in the meantime, I'm revisiting the PCM-R300 Sony DAT recorder, and you might remember we sort of got it going, we sorted out the deck, and yeah, it was quite broken. Well, really not that great. And I sort of came to the conclusion that the pinch roller was playing up, so let's just swap the cassettes, because it is actually okay with the normal cassette. But if I put in like a short cassette, i.e. this cleaning cassette, and hopefully I'll be able to demonstrate this. You can see it's crinkling the tape, and everything's clean, everything's good, but it does sort of suggest that the pinch roller is maybe not the best. Now, I took a bit of a risk, and I found on Aliexpress a couple of pinch rollers that hopefully will do the trick, and I think it's going to be the 7x7. It's certainly very small, and probably is going to be quite a lot of fun to fit. But yeah, let's have a go and just see if that is all that's wrong with it now. Great if it is. Let's crack on. Okay, it's not the easiest thing to film, but I'm hoping I should just be able to pull this up, or well, literally I'm putting a flat blade in the gap between the shaft and the actual pinch roller itself, and I should, with a bit of care, be able to get that out. And can I do this without dropping stuff? I can quite get that pinch roller itself. Yeah, I can. So there we go. There's the offending, possibly the offending item. So okay. So let's get the 7x7. Yeah, I'm not sure that's quite right. It is a tiny bit smaller. Is it? Or is it just the way I'm... Yeah, just tiny bit smaller. But we'll give it a go, and hopefully it will be okay. Time will tell. Grab it in such a way that I can... Oh! That went well. There we go. Can I don't know if I can get this in with just my fingers. What would be nice is to drive the deck, so it's a bit more sort of out in the open, but I don't really have that luxury, so and the thing is the shaft the same size? Yeah, it is. Right, okay. And then see if I can get this back on. Yeah, that's actually quite tricky to do. Yeah, because the slight problem I have is that the, well, I was going to say the springs are in the way, but if I close the carriage, that actually makes it worse. If I get it so far, yeah, so there's a place where I can actually get to it without fouling the spring too much. Yeah. Okay, so plan B, I suppose. I mean, I should really take the carriage off, but you know, it's always fun to try alternative methods. Oh, that actually worked. There we go. Okay, well, yeah, that is on. I'm sort of wishing I got some gloves, but anyway, I did actually pick some up, and I didn't put them on. So, okay, well, let's give it a try. Okay, so I suppose try the cleaning cassette first, because if that plays okay, then at least we know we've accomplished something. I don't know, because it's just that tiny bit smaller. I always need a 7x8. But anyway, let's have a look. Yeah, so it's still damaging the tape. Okay. I'm just looking to see if anything's been fiddled with, and I can't see that anything has. The varnish is still good in there. Oh. Okay. Well, that's interesting. It's the same with that one. Oh, it is. Oh. Oh, that's making a fun noise. And I'm assuming that's probably the pinch roller. Just slipping. So, with that bit of information, I'm actually tempted to put the other pinch roller back on. Do I try this other cassette? Yeah, it's just not. Not sitting correctly. Oh, okay. Oh. tape top. Yeah, I must have triggered the end sensor mode. Still getting an awful lot of errors. Let's just try that cleaning cassette again. I think that might be the cassette, you know. I think that that cleaning cassette is not, gosh, no, it's not good at all, is it? Yeah, see, it struggles to pull the cassette back in. I think this tape's actually damaged. So, happy days. That's always gonna. So it looks like I'll have to take the deck apart again and find out why these are riding high. But I am getting. I'm a bit confused why it's doing that and why I don't have any audio at all. But I'm not getting any errors. But it's, yeah, I mean the signal's still terrible. So yeah, what do you reckon? I mean, obviously, I've still got deck issues, not duck issues. Maybe I have. And yeah, I can see actually a hair that shouldn't be there. So there's quite a lot of wildlife going on, ducks and hares and whatever. But yeah. It's obviously not right. I think I will be putting that other pinch roller back in, but I'm happy to go with the one that's on there at the moment because it works. I know it's, well, it seems to be pretty good. So yeah, but let me know in the comments what you think and what you think. Well, just the history of this deck as well, because it's been raced and rallied quite a bit, and somebody actually made a comment about the 7000 series and specifically the 70, I think it was 7040, and just how much better the mechanisms are in those, which I'm sort of quite tempted to maybe take a look at some points, but. Yeah, this is quite a fragile deck. It's nicely made and relatively simple for what it's doing, but yeah, it's not great. It's certainly quite fragile. So yeah, it looks like we'll be doing another video at some point in the future, stripping this down. Lots more to sort of do in the meantime, so it might be a while before that comes out. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and a like and subscribe would be fantastic. And hopefully I shall see you in another video. Bye for now.